I don't understand what the Geek for Geeks team is doing. Every day they are making some more changes and making the participants confused. Yes, I'm talking about the 60 days POTD challenge. And yesterday you must have seen that earlier it was compulsory to post on LinkedIn and Twitter. Okay, to post on LinkedIn and Twitter. Now today what they changes made that they have changed to and to or. Now it's not compulsory that you have to post on LinkedIn also or Twitter also and Twitter also. Now you can post on anyone, or if you want to post on both, there is not an issue. But if you want to post on anyone, like you want to post on LinkedIn only or Twitter only, you can continue posting. Like, okay, I don't know who is just writing this updates and making these changes daily. It should be done before the event start or before people register. And these kind of changes make participants not only confused but questions the integrity of the program too. So the latest update that is of 17th of February, and if they change anything, God knows, will update you. Do not worry. Every single update will be available on the channel. Now, what you need to do, you have to post the screenshot of the POTD problem. How to do it? I have already shared multiple videos. You can check it out. You have to simply solve the solution, and for the solutions, I have attached the Telegram group also. You can join it, and the latest solutions are shared over there daily. Now you have to post a solution a screenshot. Solution screenshot. Okay, you have to share the solution screenshot. Let me show you a quick demo. So like this, you can see the post over here. I have attached the problem statement and their solution. Means I have submitted the problem and I have attached this image also and the code image also. You can add the question image also, like I did on the first day. You can see question image is there. Okay, problem image and their solution is there. Like this, you have to post. You can take help from the AI to generate the post over here. For solutions, I have attached the Telegram group. Join it and just start completing the challenge. Regarding the challenge, if you don't know how to participate, it's very simple. I have attached a video in English and Hindi. So make sure to take part in this challenge and complete all the challenges. You have to make sure that you're tagging and just adding both the hashtag. Do not miss any one hashtag. Okay, they have provided the LinkedIn and X official handles also. So whether you are posting on LinkedIn or Twitter or X, make sure to post on anyone as of the latest update on 17th Feb. If they change another time, I'll make a video for that also. Do not worry, stay tuned, stay informed and subscribe the channel for more. And if you want another opportunities, all challenges are live on the channel. You can see Get Certified is live over here. The challenge related to the Global Hack Week is here, Google Cloud Arcade is here. So take the benefit of these challenges. Do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye.